Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for R2Park, guest parking registration guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer. Type the official R2Park website address provided by your property or host. Press enter to load the R2Park homepage. Look for the guest parking or register guest option on the main screen. Click or tap the guest parking or register guest button. If you are asked to sign in, choose Create Account or Sign Up. Enter your email address carefully and make sure it is spelled correctly. Create a strong password and store it somewhere safe. Click Create Account and check your email for a verification message. Open the verification email from R2Park and click the verification link. Return to the R2Park page and sign in with your verified email and password. On the dashboard, find the section called Register Guest, Guest Pass, or Add Vehicle. Select the property, community, or building if you are prompted to choose one. Enter the host details if required, such as unit number, resident name, or invitation code. Type the guest's full name exactly as you want it to appear on the permit. Enter the guest's vehicle license plate number without extra spaces. Choose the correct state or province for the license plate. Select the vehicle type if the system asks for it, such as car, motorcycle, or truck. Pick the parking location, lot, or zone assigned for guest parking. Choose the start date and start time for the guest parking period. Choose the end date and end time based on how long the guest will stay. Review all details one more time to avoid plate number or date mistakes. Read any posted parking rules and restrictions shown on the registration screen. Click Submit, Register, or Confirm to create the guest parking pass. Wait for the confirmation page and check for a success message. Save the confirmation number or take a screenshot for quick access. If a digital permit is provided, download it or email it to the guest. If you need to edit or cancel, use the My Permits or Active Passes section and follow the on-screen options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.